Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you an amazing project, GGToro. So GGToro.com is official website and the biggest airdrop of 2023 and GGToro.com. A gaming exchange is giving massive USDT from 15th of May on, and hashtag GGToro enables importing your existing gaming assets under one roof. Trade, stake, land skins, game credit, NFT for profits, AI trading on NFTs, sport of Bitcoin on BRC20 chain, and TG in 26 days, and chain will be BSC20. And the future of gaming is here, don't miss out. So I will explain the rules and bonuses, everything to you. First of all, let me explain the website overview. We have a take a look at the website overview. So welcome to GGToro. Get up to $500 in reward by joining the whitelist. If you click on this link, you will be redirected to the whitelist page. But first of all, let's overview this page, this website. So here you can see monetize your gaming assets, get access to all your gaming assets from one place, follow, copy, connect your pair around the world. So if you click on get this Toro, you will be redirected to the website. Let me open a new page and let's scroll down. Here you can see the buy, land, trade and resell. Discover thousands of unique in-game assets, participate in pre-sale and importing your existing game assets and game credit, buy and sell popular game credits and keep track of them in one place. NFTs lend NFTs invest, lend, keep track of your collectibles and skins. Get access to all newest skins and variables. So here you can see everything is mentioned here. So let's scroll down, and here you can see join the GGToro community now. The collective wisdom and experience of millions of gamers and investors is at your fingertip. Learn, share, earn, and join the conversation. Building connection leads to early access to the initial scale and give you an unfair advantages. So let's scroll down. So you will see the copy top gamers. Copy and collaborate with the top gaming investors and creators. You can automatically copy the move of other investors, plus follow your favorite creator. So here you can see at the right side you can see the picture. You can also follow your favorite creator and investor. So smart portfolio, invest in the future of gaming, copying the best and participating in exclusive pre-sale drops and trusted worldwide. Discover how to store, trade and rent your gaming assets in GGToro. So it's fully secured utilizing top tier security and practices. So here you can see GGToro research, discover how gaming assets in GGToro create impact, the current gaming states of gaming industry, trends of opportunities and challenges. You can read all the articles. Let me show you the one of them. So here you can see get GGToro token, everything is mentioned here. So if let's scroll down, here you can see our partners and investors. Trade like a pro, get the lowest fees and fastest transactions and powered AI integration, powerful AI integration. So the Amazon, Chainlink, Veta, PancakeSwap and Fireblocks, these are the our partners and investors. So what our customers say. So here you can see the reviews. I love the idea of gaming exchange. I have been looking for dedicated safe place to store my skins, virtual clothes and apps. You should definitely read more about GGToro. So here you can see I have had a good experience with the team before. I love this idea of gaming. So you can see the reviews and made with love to Web3. So this is a Web3 project. You can also join the GGToro official Telegram community, and there are social media icons. Let me explain the social media icon. And here you can see the official website of Twitter. So twitter.com/GGToro official. So here you can see this official Telegram channel. And let's get back to the website. And here you can see let's open the app. So here you can see get your GGToro token now. Here you can see this is the page. You can set get the GG token now, get GG token now, and here you can see if you scroll down you can see the highlights and our trusted partners. So there are trusted partners and highlights. 3.24 billion people in the world play games and $5 million plus revenue of 2003. No competitors, exponentially growing gaming assets marketplace, over 100k whitelist users, and expected customers in next 12 months will be 350k playing subscriber and 100 million plus ARR and 150 billion opportunities in 2.4 trillion global entertainment market. So Aggregate all gaming assets to one platform, resulting in a secondary liquidity market for gaming 150 billion. Importing gaming assets for Web 2 to Web 3 and ensuring 150 billion gaming assets. So this is how it works. You just have to click on it, get GG token now, and you have to enter the amount. So one GG token is equal to 0.5 USDT. So let's suppose I will enter the $100, and you can also select BNB or USDT. So let's select the BNB, and I will select any of point. I will click on buy. After that, it says at least I was typing 400. After entering your amount, you just have to click on buy, and first of all you have to connect MetaMask. And here you can see, after selecting MetaMask, you have to connect your website GGToro to your MetaMask wallet. So here you can see I am typing my password here, and you have to connect your MetaMask with this website. I will click on connect, and here you can see my MetaMask is connected to this website. Now I will click on get GToro, and I will type the token I want to purchase. So here you can see the BNB value will be 0.1618, and 1 GGToro will be 0.5 USDT. I will click on buy. When you click on buy, your MetaMask transaction will appear again, and you have to purchase the transaction. And now let me show you the other things. So this is the article of ResearchGate, the current state of global gaming industry, trends, opportunities and challenges, and you can read all in detail. To scroll down this article, I will add the link in the description. So here you can see the current states, everything is mentioned here. I will add the link in the description so you can read in detail. So this is the GGToro 100k dollar airdrop. So the biggest airdrop 2023. GGToro is dropping 100k thousand USDT from 15th May. To participate, you have to join the Telegram, follow the Twitter account, and retweet the Twitter. Join whitelist at here, and the future of gaming is here. And this is how simple it is. Let me show you how you can join. So first of all, you have to join the Telegram. When you open the Telegram, you will be redirected to the official page of GGToro.official. I will click on view in Telegram, and I will join this channel. After joining this channel, I will go back. Now I will follow the second step. I will go to the Twitter account. So here you can see this is the Twitter account. I will follow this account, and after following this account, you just have to retweet of the first tweet of the Twitter. And let's scroll down. So here you can see this is the first tweet. I will click on retweet and click on retweet and enter. So this is the retweeted, and I just have done 3 tasks. And now I will select join whitelist by clicking this link. So this link is opening, and here you can see you just have to answer some of questions, and that's all. So enter email address. I will type my email address here. After typing my email address, enter Telegram handle ID. So I will enter my Telegram ID here. After that, enter Twitter account. So I will go to my account, my portfolio, and this is my username. I will type my username here, and after that, enter non-custodial ERC20 or BSC compromised wallet address. So I will type my wallet address here, and after that I will click on submit, and the form is submitted. So here you can see I just participate in GGToro $100,000 airdrop. So you can also don't duplicate entries. And here you can see this is the another page. So let me close it, and this is the Twitter account I already mentioned. This is the Telegram channel I already joined. So let me explain some other documentation to you. And this is the how to interrupt the risk warning GGToro services and non-personal advice, don't monitoring, and this is the cookies and privacy pages. This is the terms and condition, GGToro terms and condition, and this document is about the privacy policy of GGToro. And let's go to the affiliate link. So here you can see this is the affiliation link. You can also join the affiliate program. I will add all the link in the description, so you can type your name here. So I will type my name Jonathan, and I will type my email address here. Here you can see after typing my email address, I have to enter my phone number and country of your region. So I will type my country, and I will have the phone number and what type of influencer you are, I am crypto individual influencer, and I will like to promote on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. And I will go to how do you learn about from an account manager. So I will click on submit, and here you can see my affiliate program I just submitted, and this is how it works. Now let me show you the Facebook page of GGToro. So here you can see the gaming is our DNA. Monetize your gaming asset, get access to all of your gaming assets at one place. So here you can see GGToro monetize your gaming asset. The Facebook official page, you just have to follow. I will click on like, and now let me show you the Instagram GGToro official, and the Telegram, Facebook, and Twitter. All the social media is here. So this is the official Telegram channel. So you can also see the rules here. So everything is mentioned here. So that's all. This is the GGToro official website. You can also change the color to dark, and monetize your gaming asset, get access to all of your gaming assets from one place, follow, copy, and connect with your peer and around the world. And this is the GGToro app. I highly recommend to invest in this program. So thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.